Welcome back to the 40-Day Media channel. Today I'm whipping up some fresh lavender infused lemonade, so stick around. First, I'll take the dried lavender and add it to my mix of brown and white sugars and let that sit infusing for about an hour. Sorry, I just don't like the way the lemonade tastes when you use only brown sugar, so I mix both. But feel free, you can use only brown or only white. It's up to you, honestly. In the meantime, I'll grab my hand juicer and try to get as much juice as I can out of these lemons. To get more juice from my lemons, I left them warming in the sun and rolled them really hard on the countertop before cutting them lengthwise instead of across the center. The larger surface area allows more juice to be produced when you're squeezing. All done squeezing out lemon juice, so I'll just set that aside. Okay, so all this time you've probably been wondering, what the world is that? Well, these are moringa seeds. Moringa is used for asthma, diabetes, obesity, menopausal symptoms, and many other conditions. In this application, I used it to purify and alkaline my water. I'm thinking I would make a video on how I use moringa seeds to alkaline and purify my water one day. So if you'd like to see me make that video, go ahead and leave me a comment or send me a message so I can be sure to put it on my list. Now back to this delicious lavender lemonade, where I am getting ready to pour in the lavender infused simple syrup. All right, let's just get it out there. Lavender is my favorite plant. I use this herb a lot. Seriously, I'd have to make a video in itself to really get deep into lavender, but it can be used for medicine, beauty, aromatherapy, you name it. It's so versatile. And I absolutely just love lavender and everything about it. All right, so I have all my key players in place. Now to join them all together. I'm gonna start with the lemon juice, and then I'll add in the melted sugar that's been infusing with the lavender. Oh, and it already smells so good. And now it's time to pour in my fresh, homemade alkaline water. From here, it's just to stir and give it a taste. If it's still too sour, I'll add a little more sugar. And if it doesn't have that distinct lemon taste that I like, I'll simply add more lemons. Don't put too much lavender in your lemonade, or you'll end up with something that tastes more soapy than refreshing. All right, I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed this quick lavender infused lemonade DIY, and I really hope that you'll come back and join me for more videos, and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, be blessed out there and feel free to create your change.